In 1997, scientists recorded a sound in the deep ocean. It wasn't a whale, it wasn't a submarine, it was hungry.
Back to Unveiled Mysteries. Today, we decode the classified NOAA audio that the government tried to hide.
Breachers. When marine biologists first analyzed this ultra-low frequency sound, they were completely terrified.
In the ocean, the lower the frequency of a sound, the larger the animal making it.
A blue whale is the largest known animal on Earth. But this audio profile belonged to something 3 times bigger.
To find out what made the sound, we sent an unmanned drone back into the Mariana Trench.
Descending past 20,000 feet, the drone's cameras picked up a trail of destruction.
We found the remains of a heavy titanium weather buoy. It was designed to withstand extreme pressure.
But it wasn't crushed by the water. Look at these massive, parallel scratch marks carved deep into solid titanium. 7 AI laser scanning calculated the distance between the grooves. They were over 10 inches apart.
But recent deep-sea audio recordings tell a terrifyingly different story.
Just as the drone finished the scan, the water around it went completely dark.
Visibility dropped to 0. The operators immediately switched the drone to thermal imaging.
Most deep-sea sharks are cold-blooded, but this massive heat signature was glowing red-hot.
It was endothermic, generating its own body heat for maximum hunting speed. And it was charging.
But then, the nightmare doubled. A second massive heat signature appeared right behind it.
It's not just one surviving monster. There is an entire breeding population down there!
The operators engaged emergency thrusters, barely escaping the abyss.
The chaps, on the strength of the scan. As the drone ascended, its lasers scanned the sheer rock walls of the underwater canyon. These aren't natural formations. The rock has been systematically broken away to create a shelter.
The thermal scan of the cave revealed something worse than a predator. It revealed a nest.
We thought the Mariana Trench was an empty graveyard.
Sonar picked up an impossible geological anomaly, a massive cave system, violently dug into solid stone. The drone made it back to the surface. But the data it brought back triggered an immediate blackout.
Within hours, military vessels surrounded our coordinates and confiscated all the raw hard drives.
Knows what's down there. That's why manned missions to the bottom were quietly stopped.
But the scariest part? The deep sea temperature is rising, and they are swimming higher.
If you want to see the classified footage they tried to delete, hit that subscribe button right now.
In episode 3, the monsters are no longer staying in the dark.